Thank you for your purchase of Funride, Panther 3-in-1 Tricycle. This beautiful tricycle comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, wide rear wheelbase and foldable canopy. This tricycle can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, place rear mudguard to main body with the help of machine screws. Now, take the main body and place the seat to the main body. You can fix it with the help of butterfly nuts. Now insert front wheel complete to main body. Let's put two AA batteries to the handle to activate light and music. It's time to place handle to the fork. Fix handle to the fork with a fork with push button and flower nut. Now place rear wheel to main body with the help of axle pin on both sides. Place rear wheel caps to rear wheels on both sides. Now place footrest to main body, lock it with machine screw. Fix hand rest to frame to main body with the help of lock button. Now place umbrella to main body with help of lock button. It's time to insert flute pipe to main body and fix with screw. Place movement rod to fix the flute pipe, lock it with the help of provided nut. Fix movement rod to front and back side and lock it with the help of provided nuts. It's time to place bottle stand to main body with the help of screw. You can now place bottle to bottle stand. In the last step, place parental handle to flute pipe. Your beautiful Panther 3-in-1 is now ready to use. Funride, a ride of happiness.